Hello everyone, happy crafting Friday. Today I'm going to show you how I put together a photo booth for a birthday party. I'm assembling the display. All I have to do is follow the instructions. I got this display at Amazon. It's very easy to put together. As you can see, I'm doing it by myself. So originally I wanted it to be wide enough for group pictures, but the wind was fighting me too much, so I decided to use the wall divider on the back as my supporter. So I needed to just make it narrow. And as you can see, I'm still fighting with the wind, but at the end, I was able to make it happen. I used a lot of zip ties to secure everything. It was a little bit of a struggle, but I can testify that this stand is really good. I added at the end an art wall in the middle with the chandelier. And here you can see everybody having fun taking pictures. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.